Welcome to Hookey. In this video, we're going to explain the rules of the game and some tips on how to play. Games, apart from championships, are played to 50 points. In this situation, I have 48 and Logan has 41. Playing the exact rule, I have to get a 2 to win, and he has to get a 9. If you go over, your points reset to where you were. There are two other ways you can play to 50, the overrule and the no overrule. So the overrule is complicated. I'll explain that in the next clip. But for the no overrule, it's simple. If you get above 50 or at 50, you win no matter what. The overrule is a little bit more complicated. So in a game like this where the score is 48 to 41, let's see what happens if Logan, who only needs 9, goes over 50. So as you can see here, Logan, who only needed a 9, hit the 13. So his score now totals to 54. He's 4 over, so what does he need? 4. So his score goes to 46. Next up, we're going to explain overtime rules. So, same score, 48 to 41, I just need a 2.
And I just need a 9.
So now that we're tied at 50 exactly, it becomes an overtime shootout. Who can score more on the next turn? Since we missed all 3, next round we only shoot 2. Since I scored more than him, I win in overtime. But if we were to miss again, we would go to single ring until it's over. Here in Hookey, there's 2 different techniques on how to shoot. Me and Logan are going to demonstrate each of them, starting with the underhand.
Here are the overhands.
Me and Bella did
You can choose which way you want to play. Hookey isn't all about offense. Defense matters as well. Same score, I only needed 2 to win. And as you can see on the board, I've already landed 1. But Logan, with his next shots, can do this. In an intense game, if you need a lot of points, you can stick your rings together by placing them on the desk and putting enough pressure on them. Then you can shoot for double points.
And I can shoot triple.
In Hookey, there are many different ways that the ring can land on the board. Of course, you can hook it on a certain point value, 12 points right there. But if in the instance that the hook lands like this, that is no points. Because the hook, or the ring, I should say, isn't actually around any one hook. It's sort of sitting in between. If the hook lands and is on the edge of a hook, that counts as 12 points, but it's vulnerable to being knocked off. Since Mike's not actively playing, he can get the rebounds for my missed hooks.